Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of YouTube and discuss how to grow your channel, gain more views, subscribers, and even monetizing. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, stay tuned. So what are the requirements to grow a YouTube channel for views and subscribers? Quality content. Quality content is the cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel. Your videos should entertain, educate, or solve problems for your audience. Remember, it's all about delivering value. Consistency. Maintaining a regular upload schedule builds trust with your viewers. They'll know when to expect new content from you, and that keeps them coming back for more. Audience understanding. Know your audience like the back of your hand. Understanding their interests, needs, and preferences allows you to tailor your content to cater specifically to them. SEO optimization. YouTube is essentially a search engine, so optimizing your videos for search is crucial. Use relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Engagement. Actively respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a sense of community around your channel. Your audience is your biggest asset. Promotion. Promote your videos across social media and collaborate with fellow YouTubers. Expanding your reach beyond YouTube itself can help you tap into new audiences. YouTube Analytics. Regularly dive into your YouTube analytics. It's like having a map to your channel's success. Understand what's working and who your audience is. Thumbnails and titles. Your video's first impression matters. Create eye-catching thumbnails and titles that entice viewers to click, make them curious. Monetization. To monetize, meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, like having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, then apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Diversified income streams. Don't rely solely on ads for income. Explore sponsorships, merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, and even crowdfunding to diversify your revenue streams. Adaptability. Stay nimble and adapt to YouTube's policies and algorithm changes. Flexibility in your content strategy is key to staying relevant. Patience and persistence. Growing a YouTube channel takes time. Stay patient, stay persistent, and don't be discouraged by slow progress. Continuous learning. Stay informed. YouTube evolves, and so should you. Keep learning about trends, new features, and best practices. Unique value. Offer something unique that sets your channel apart in your niche. What makes you different can attract a dedicated and loyal audience. Feedback and improvement. Always be open to feedback and continuously work on improving your content, production quality, and audience engagement. These are the major requirements used for growing a YouTube channel. Major tips adopted by YouTubers to grow their YouTube channel are given follows. Define your target audience. Identify the demographic and interests of your ideal viewers. Create compelling content. Develop high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. Optimize video titles. Use relevant keywords to make your videos more discoverable. Write detailed descriptions. Include relevant keywords and timestamps to improve searchability. Add tags. Use specific tags to help YouTube understand the content of your videos. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Design visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent your videos. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborations can help you tap into new audiences and gain exposure. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Upload consistently. Regularly publish new content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Leverage YouTube SEO. Optimize your channel and videos for search engines to increase visibility. Use end screens and cards. Encourage viewers to watch more of your content or take specific actions. Cross-promote your videos. Feature related videos in your end screens or video descriptions. Participate in the YouTube community. Engage with other creators by commenting on their videos and joining discussions. Experiment with different video formats. Try different types of content to see what resonates best with your audience. Monitor analytics. Keep an eye on your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Optimize for mobile devices. Ensure that your videos are mobile-friendly and accessible on different devices. Enable monetization. Meet the eligibility requirements and apply for the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your channel. Diversify revenue streams. Explore additional income sources like sponsorships, merchandise sales, or affiliate marketing. Stay motivated and persistent. Growing a successful YouTube channel takes time, so stay committed to your goals. Remember, these tips are not exhaustive, but they provide a solid foundation for growing your YouTube channel and maximizing its reach. In conclusion, there's no guaranteed formula for overnight success on YouTube. It's a competitive platform, but with dedication, effort, and a genuine passion for creating content that resonates with your audience, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for joining. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy YouTubing!